If you thought Prohibition just started overnight, there were some factors that led to it, and that's our beer culture moment. A move towards Prohibition started way before the 18th Amendment was ratified in 1919. Religious revivalist groups like the American Temperance Society had been rallying against alcohol consumption for years, calling it a rampant scourge of drunkenness. Victory came to them in 1851 in the state of Maine when the legislature passed a law saying that they were going to prohibit the sales of alcohol statewide. And what that did was it caused about a dozen more states to jump on the bandwagon and do the exact same thing. Now, most of those states ended up repealing those laws after they were faced with protests and riots. So what happened next? Well, World War I came and gave birth to Prohibition. And how did that happen? Well, two things. So the Temperance League started to demonize the German brewers, saying maybe they were trying to take over the United States from the inside. Why else would they be trying to get everybody inebriated? And then second of all, we needed grain to feed the army. So that basically created the perfect storm to create Prohibition. So beyond that, what caused the death of it? Well, another major event, and that was the Great Depression. So the government finally realized that the cost of enforcing Prohibition plus the loss of all the taxes was creating a great loss of revenue for them, and so they repealed it. So if World War I gave birth to it, the Depression killed it, and that's our beer culture moment. This has been a Matty Boy presentation. Say bye-bye, Matty.
Bye-bye.